Hey guys, welcome back to the Mastermind Backyard Barbecue, where in this video right here, this is an opportunity for you, big channel, small channel, medium channel, any type of channel that knows of other channels that are small, under 1,000 subscribers, that you want to give recognition to, that you think are doing all these great things, and they may be a little bit undervalued. So you want to give them a little shout out, show them a little bit of recognition, so that we can try to help these channels just come up a bit, right? Remember, you at one point were in that same spot. So for me, I'm gonna find 3 channels and let you guys all know about them, because my subscribers, I want you guys to also check these channels out too, and you do the same. Pay it forward. Find 3 channels under 1,000 subscribers and let us know what channels these are that we should be watching, because they're authentic, they're organic, they showcase everything, whether it's a win, whether it's a lose or a draw, and it's something that should be known. One thing I didn't state in my last video was the reason why organic, authentic channels take a long time to really blow up is because if you're not chasing algorithms, YouTube doesn't put you in people's faces. So it's very hard in that aspect. So now this is a chance for us to take this YouTube thing by the hands and show you guys and show other people what we should be watching. Don't let the algorithms do that. We're gonna do it for you. So my 3 channels right off the top: SJ Cooks with Sal. Check him out, great videos. And then I just started to watch 805 Barbecue Junkie, George, Jorge. Hey man, awesome videos right there too. And then I've always been just loving, I don't know if you guys heard of Phil with Just Cooking with the Guys. Check him out. Some authentic Texas style barbecue, you know, pellet smoker, kettle smoker on the flat top, all that good stuff. And hey, it don't matter if I don't like to do certain things. It doesn't mean that I don't like to watch you doing those things. So that's just the way it rolls. So opportunity for you to give back, opportunity for you to recognize people who should be recognized, and let's do it right here, right now. And let's pay it forward. Let's move it. Let's get this thing rolling. All right. I want to hear your 3 favorite channels, people under 1,000 subscribers, and I want this to keep on going. We need to all find out who's who. All right. Thanks for coming. Thanks for sharing a little bit of time on my channel right now. And I'll see you guys next time with a cook. That's right. Yeah.